Mayari and I'm here currently at the Department of Energy, located inside the Energy Center in BGC Taguig. Director Patrick will join us today and show us how to charge an electric vehicle.
So electric vehicles are operated similar to your conventional vehicles or your internal combustion engines. Of course, when the battery is low or you're in a charging station such as this, you charge it in this manner. Of course, you open the vehicle. All electric vehicles will also have a latch that allows for the opening of the charging port. Make sure that the charging port is compatible with this charger. In the Philippines, the predominant charging protocol is the CCS2 combo. Open it, there's a security latch. Get it from the charging port and then plug it in. To be sure that it's properly charging, all you have to do is also monitor. It usually has a switch or an RFID. When in doubt, always consult with the EVCS charging provider. So in this case, you needed to turn this on. Once it's turned on, to determine if it's charging properly, you open, you can take a look. In this case, you can zoom in. It says it's charging. When you charge, you get to determine how long it will take, and then of course the charging speed. In this case, we are using a 7 kilowatt AC charger. And since we are at the tail end of completely filling the battery, typically from 90% or 80% onwards, the charging times are considerably longer. This is due to the nature of the lithium batteries which power our electric vehicles. When you're finished charging or you've reached the desired level of charging, you have to turn it off, unplug it like this, make sure you close the latch, and then of course, return it to the proper charging port as is. That's your step-by-step guide in charging using an AC charger for your electric vehicle.
If you have more questions about EVs or renewable energy, let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to follow the PNOC social media platforms.